Alright, happy homeowners. Remember the video from Wednesday? We got over here and started in this house, Montebello, built in the 1940s. Man, it's been old, beat up, but we were able to save it. Let me turn this around. We'll put these videos together later on so you can see it. But man, beautiful. Ended up staining it. This is just the raw stain. Doesn't have any other finish on it. Once the finish goes on it, it's going to pop. It is a lot of wear and tear, and this was an 1.5 inch wide, 3/8 thick. Remember from the video earlier, this whole area we repaired. And you can't even tell it. But, man, what a difference. Such a beautiful old home here. Same thing, another repair in that earlier video that Dante did. This accident, first time I showed up here, it's beautiful. Take you over here to the steps. Remember the steps? They're working on putting the spindles back now, but from the earlier video, look at that. These guys are amazing. Whew. All right.